Hey everyone out there, how it's going on? This is Mayank Sharma from Yang Candy, and in this video I would be showing you how to update your Linux kernel from LTS to the Linux and from Linux to the Linux LTS. So this is a bit easy procedure. If you have been using other distributions, then this is just like you have a GUI tool and you don't have to do a lot of mess with the command line. So let's get into it. At this time we are using Arch Linux operating system, so the process in this is different than other operating systems, as this is really cool. Not getting into much more of the technical side, typing in here, so let me firstly check which kernel am I using right now. Check me, LTS. So this is already long-term support kernel. Now we are going into another side to take this from LTS to the Linux kernel. Process is just a bit straightforward, and let's get into it. It's not difficult, I'm telling you, it's not difficult. Sudo pacman as Linux, this is a command. Now you need to type your password, and I typed it right, so it is reinstalling. I've already installed it. Now I'm gonna cancel it up because I've already installed it, so I've interrupted the signal received. You don't have to do that if it is not already installed on your system. So as it is already installed, now we have to proceed from this side. You have to go into that boot directory and have to change just a bit of the kernel name. You have to cut that LTS part, and that's it. Just save that file and reboot. You would be in your Linux kernel, which is not LTS. So let me show you how to do it. Then let's see what is in here. We have all the kernel files, Linux LTS. In case if you don't have this intra mfs linux.img, that means you don't have the Linux kernel in your system, and you need to install it by typing in the pacman command, as I did in the first of this video, okay, after the uname r. So that's it. Now going into the way, have already gone. Now we need to enter into the loader, and in that, what I'm doing, loader ls, then entries. Going on a bit technical, it's really easy. And then arch.configuration is a file which you have to edit. So we are going to do this with the nano text editor. My favorite is nano. You can use vim also if it works out for you. I don't know how to use that actually. Now file is unwritable. That is because we have not given it the sudo permission. So let's get out of it, and let's type in here the sudo. That would give it the sudo, that means a super user permission in your the account which you're using right now. As if you are not using the root account, if you're using the root account, then you don't need to type the sudo, okay. So this is just, you have to cancel this intelucode.img, and it's done. Just do this and then save it. We need to save it by control no and enter. And yeah, that's it. Just get out of here and then reboot your system, and now you would be in that kernel again. So it would be like this. I've not rebooted, but you just have to type this command again to check yourself that whether you have successfully gotten out of that kernel. Okay, so that's it. Now thanks for watching this video.